Hello students, welcome to my channel. My name is Darshan, I'm your maths prof. So this is the last session of this chapter where we'll be doing some paper 4 style of questions, that means a calculator kind of questions. And if you see, there are only angles topics in this type of questions, paper 4 kind of question, because that basic geometry it is not included in this calculator, because you can you don't need calculator for those kind of questions. They are just basic ones, so you'll always find them in paper 2 only. There won't be any basic geometry questions in paper 4. Okay, so yeah, let's start with this. The first worksheet. See the question. Calculate the size of one interior angle of the regular polygon with 40 sides. Now you already have this formula that measure of each interior angle, measure of each interior angle, that is 180 minus 360 upon n. Yes, and now we already have the n is 40 here because 40 sides are there. So 180 minus 360 upon 40. Now in the calculator, let's do 360 divided by 40. So that is 9. So it's 180 minus 9. That is 171 degree. Clear? So each interior angle of this regular polygon with 40 sides is 171 degree. Let's see the second question. Find the interior angle of the polygon with 24 sides. So now for 24 sides you're doing. So yeah, find the interior angle of the regular polygon 24 sides. So here also same 180 minus 360 upon n, but instead of n what I'm using 180 minus 360 by 24. So that is let's do 360 divided by 24 here. That's 15. So 180 minus 15, 165. Clear? See the third question. In the diagram, AC and BD are straight lines. Okay, and find the value of P and the value of Q. There are two unknowns, P and Q. We are supposed to find them. So first of all, let's call this as R, and R is equal to 48. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Yes, so R is equal to 48. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Here I am using the short name VOA, but in the exam you just write the whole thing, vertically opposite angles. Okay, and yeah, now you see P will be the linear pair of 48, right? So P is equals to 180 minus 48, and that reason is linear pair. So that P will be 180 minus 48. Let's do in the on the calculator. 180 minus 48, that is 132. So P you already got, that is 132. Clear? And now you see P, it's an exterior angle of this triangle AB. This point, let's say this point is E. So it's an external angle for ABE. An exterior angle of ABE is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So P will be equal to Q plus 55. The reason is exterior angle property, right? So any exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles, right? Now you see, let's put the value of P, which is 132, is equal to Q plus 55. So Q is 132 minus 55. Let's do this here. 132 minus 55. So that is 77. Okay, so Q is equals to 77. Clear? Let's do the second worksheet. See the first question. The interior angle of regular polygon with n sides is 180. Now the interior angle is given. We are not supposed to find the measure of each interior angle. Here we are supposed to find the number of sides. So the formula is each interior angle, which is 150, that is equal to 180 minus 360 upon n. Okay, and we want to find the n, so let's make n as a subject. For that, let's shift this 360 by n on the left hand side, so that will be 3 positive 360 by n, and this 150 which is positive, it will be shifted to right hand side, it will become negative, right? So 360 upon n is 30, so n will be 360 upon 30, so that is 12. So there are 12 number of sides. Clear? See the second question. A regular polygon has 72 sides now. So 72, n is given 72, and we want to find each interior angle. So measure of each interior angle, it's equal to 180 minus 360 upon n, and now n is given, that is 72. Now let's do 360 upon 72, that's 5. So it is 180 minus 5, so that's 175. Clear? Yeah. Next is this third question. So here if you see AB and AC are equal, it's an isosceles triangle, and angle QAC, that is 43 given, and we want to find the value of x. Now first of all, because this PQ and ST, they are parallel to each other. See this, they are parallel to each other. So if I call this y will be equal to what? 43, because alternate interior angles, this 43 and this y, they are alternate interior angles. So here I am writing alternate interior angle, short form of it is AIA. Right now, because ABC is an isosceles triangle, this will also be same as y. So that angle Z, let's call this Z. So Z is also 43, and the reason is isosceles triangle. Okay, now let's use the angle sum property, that x plus y plus z total is 180. For any triangle, the angle sum property is 180. So x plus y plus z is equals to 180. X we want to find, y and z both are 43 each. So 43 plus 43, that is 86, and now 180 minus 86, which is 94. So you got the value of x as 94. Clear? Okay, so let's start the third worksheet. Yeah, see this question here also. This triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, so AC is equals to AB, as well as this line AC is parallel to the line FD. So first of all, what I'm doing is, let's take this y, and y will be equal to 26, because this 26 and this y, they are alternate interior angles. So let's write y is equals to 26, and the reason is alternate interior angles. Clear? Now next thing is, if this is z, then if this is z, this is also z. Reason is isosceles triangle. So I am writing, and in triangle ABC, angle B is equals to angle C. The reason is isoscales scales. And let's call this Z only. And now 26 plus Z is equal to 180. Reason is angle sum. In a triangle, angle sum is always 180. So 26 plus 2Z is equals to 180. Yeah. So 2Z is equals to 180 minus 26, and 180 minus 26, that is let's do on the calculator. 180 minus 26, that is 54. So 2Z is equals to 154, and just divide it by 2, you'll get 77. So Z is equal to 77. Clear? Now coming back to the X, if you see, this X is vertically opposite angle of the sum of these two, Y and Z. Sum of Y plus Z is vertically opposite of X. Okay, so what we can do, X will be equal to Y plus Z. X will be equal to Y plus Z because vertically opposite angles are equal. So X is equals to Y plus Z. You can see here, this total is Y plus Z and this is X. They are vertically opposite to each other. So X is equals to Y, which is 26, and Z is 77. So let's do 26 up plus 77, that is 103. Okay, so this is how you found the X, which is 103. Clear? Okay, second question. The diagram shows two regular pentagons. So the larger one is also a regular pentagon and smaller one is also a regular pentagon. And in regular pentagon, all five sides are equal and all five interior angles are also equal. Now the diagram shows two regular pentagons, pentagon FGHJK, which is the outer one, is an enlargement of pentagon ABCDE from the center O. So both are similar to each other only. Find the angle AEK, which is, let's call it X, which you want to find. Now by the symmetry of the figure, you can say that this angle is also X, right? So I'm writing angle, not, it's KED, that is also equal to X, and reason is by symmetry. Okay, and now call this as Y. So Y is an interior angle of a regular pentagon, and each interior angle of a regular pentagon is equal, and that we can find using the formula that Y is equals to 180 minus 360 upon n, right? Reason is interior angle of regular polygon. Okay, so Y is equals to 180 minus 360 upon 5. Let's do 360 divided by 5, which is 72. So Y is 180 minus 72, which is 108, is equals to 108. And now x plus y is equal to 360. So 2x plus 108 is equal to 360. So 2x is equals to 360 minus 108. 360 minus 108, 360. Here, let's do this in the calculator. 252, and now divide 252 by 2. So from that, it is 126. So your angle AEK, which is X, and that is 126. Clear? Let's see the B part. The area of the pentagon, the larger pentagon area is 73.5. The smaller pentagon area is 6 centimeter square. And now find the ratio of the perimeter. Now you there will be a symmetry, sorry, similarity chapter, I think chapter 9 in this curriculum, where we'll talk about this similarity and their area ratio and side ratio. So right now just let me give you a brief idea about it, that ratio of the areas 73.5 upon 6 in any similar figures, that ratio of the areas is equal to the square of the ratio of sides. Okay, so let's call this k square, because k is a scale factor which is a ratio of side, and whatever is the ratio of side will be equal to the ratio of perimeter only, because perimeter is sum of all sides only, right? So this is k square, which is the ratio of the perimeter which we want to find. So we want to find k here, which is the ratio of perimeter, which is same as the ratio of sides, and area ratio is given, which is the k square. So let's find the k by doing the square root. So 73.5 divided by 6 first of all you find, and then do the square root of it. So square root of answer, that is 7 by 2. Okay, let's understand this again, that in any similar triangles or similar polygons, basically ratio of the sides is called scale factor, which is k. Ratio of the perimeter will be same as the ratio of side, because the perimeter is sum of all sides only. So ratio of perimeter which we want to find, it is called k, and ratio of the area is the square of this k. It's a scale factor square. And you learn about volume also in similar diagrams, that the volume ratio is k cube. We'll learn about it in ninth chapter, so right now don't panic, but yeah, I'm just giving you the brief idea about it, that area ratio is k square, and here we want to find k only. Yeah, right. So regular polygon, third question, regular polygon, the interior angle is 11 times the exterior angle. Now in any polygon, interior angle and exterior angle, they are always linear pair, right? So we can say that let interior angle be x. No, let's take exterior be x. So interior will be 11 times x. No? Let exterior angle be x. So interior is 11 times the exterior. No? So, so, so interior angle be 11x. And as I said, they are linear pair always. So x plus 11x will be equal to 180, linear pair. So 12x is equal to 180. So x is equals to this, let's do 180 divided by 12, that is 15. So x is equals to 15. That means interior angle, each interior angle is 15. Now we want to find the number of sides. Each interior angle is 15, sorry, each exterior angle is equal to 15, and each exterior angle formula is 360 upon n. I'm sorry, it was each exterior angle, not the each interior angle. By mistake, I told you interior angle. X is 15 and it is each exterior angle. And the formula for each exterior angle is 360 upon n, that is equal to 15. So n is equal to 360 upon 15. N is equals to 24. So there are 24 number of sides, right? And find the sum of the interior angles of this polygon. So sum of all interior angles, sum of all interior angles, that formula, sum of all interior angles, that formula is n minus 2 into 180. So that is 24 minus 2 into 180. So that's 22 multiplied by 180. That's 3960. Clear? So yeah, that was it in today's video, and yeah, we covered a few paper 4 style of questions from this chapter. And yeah, that was it in this whole chapter. But yeah, next we will start chapter 4, which is the basics of your statistics, how we can interpret the given data, and how we can display the data in different charts and graphs, that we'll see in the fourth chapter. Till then, just keep practicing and support this channel. Subscribe if you find this videos helpful, and share it with your friends who are in the same grades. Thank you very much.